Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync a PS5 controller. First, connect your DualSense controller to your PlayStation 5 console using the included USB-C cable. Once connected, simply press the PlayStation button located in the center of your controller. This action will automatically pair the controller with your console, making it ready for immediate use. It's a quick and easy way to get started. To pair a new controller wirelessly, navigate to your PS5 settings menu. From there, select Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories. Now, on your new DualSense controller, simultaneously press and hold the Create button and the PlayStation button until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. Your console should then detect the controller, allowing you to select it from the list to complete the pairing process. If you've already paired your controller before and just need to reconnect it, the process is even simpler. Just make sure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on or in rest mode. Then, simply press the PlayStation button on your DualSense controller. It should quickly and automatically reconnect to your console, allowing you to jump right back into your games without any hassle. If you're experiencing issues, try resetting your controller. Locate the small reset button on the back, near the L2 trigger, and use a thin object to press it. Also, if you're having trouble with a wired connection, try using a different USB-C cable. Sometimes a faulty cable is the culprit. And hey, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.